Leidos is taking major steps to increase production of its latest defense system, the IFPC Inc. 2, as part of efforts to strengthen the U.S. Army's air defense capabilities. The company received a significant contract from the Army's Missile and Space Division to further develop and deploy this system, which is designed to tackle a variety of airborne threats. The IFPC Inc. 2 will focus on countering drones, cruise missiles, and artillery projectiles, addressing a gap in current defense systems between short-range solutions and long-range missile systems. Leidos was awarded a significant indefinite delivery/indefinite quantity (IDIQ) contract in December 2024, valued up to $4.1 billion. This agreement includes provisions for low-rate initial production, LRIP, full-rate production, FRP, and various support services. The initial order calls for the production of 18 launchers that will be incorporated into the Guam Defense Systems, GDS, marking a key step in the system's deployment. The contract extends through December 2026, with subsequent orders expected to continue through 2029, ensuring long-term commitment to IFPC Inc. 2. The IFPC Inc. 2 system is a mobile, ground-based platform designed for 360-degree defense coverage. It offers quick reload capabilities and integrates fully with the U.S. Army's Integrated Air and Missile Defense (IAMD) network, facilitating a modular and scalable defense approach. Built with an open architecture framework, the system offers flexibility for future upgrades and missile integration, with current use of the AIM-9X Sidewinder missile. The platform is engineered for adaptability, ready to integrate with new missile interceptors as threats evolve. Leidos began the IFPC Inc. 2 project in September 2021 when it received a 3-year prototype contract from the U.S. Army. This contract, worth approximately $237.38 million, tasked Dynetics, a Leidos subsidiary, with delivering 16 prototypes, 60 interceptors, and support equipment. The testing phase began in late 2022, with the goal of making the first combat-ready battery operational by late 2023. By 2024, the U.S. Army was set to make a critical procurement decision, with the first full battalion expected to be deployed by 2026. The IFPC Inc. 2 system's open architecture allows the use of a variety of missile types. In addition to the AIM-9X, tests are also being conducted with the AGM-114L Longbow Hellfire missile and the Israeli-made Tamir missile, known for its role in the Iron Dome system. This broad missile compatibility underscores the system's versatility and potential for international technology integration. A key feature of the IFPC Inc. 2 is the Enduring Shield launcher, which has already proven its ability to intercept UAVs and cruise missile threats during successful flight tests. These tests confirm the launcher's operational readiness, signaling its potential for widespread deployment. The launchers are expected to enhance U.S. defense efforts in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly as part of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, USINDOPACOM, Pacific Deterrence Initiative. Deployed in Guam, the launchers will bolster defense capabilities in the region and serve as a critical deterrent against potential adversaries, strengthening the U.S. commitment to regional security. Looking ahead, the Army plans further integration of interceptor technologies, including the development of a new missile variant to counter both subsonic and supersonic cruise missiles. This demonstration phase is set for FY 2026-2027, ensuring the IFPC Inc. 2 system remains a key player in defense against evolving threats. Leidos' preparation for expanded production and integration highlights a strong commitment to advancing U.S. air defense capabilities. With its flexibility, interoperability, and proven effectiveness, the IFPC Inc. 2 system is poised to play a central role in future defense strategies.